birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday, darling.
Thank you.
Sophie la la.
Get your glasses, girl.
Right away, baby girl. Today I shut down now. You don't know the
Let
matter.
me help you with
You don't know the matter. Now Sophie.
You want
Oh! No, Shawty. It's a birthday. We gotta party like it's a birthday.
Okay. This is for you. Okay. Yes. You're welcome.
Okay, girls. I like to make a toast.
Okay.
Give me the honor of making the toast.
Okay.
I'd like to say a word.
Go ahead. Come on.
That's my girl. You see, Sophie, you've been an amazing woman.
I know, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
You are incredibly beautiful, strong,
Mhm.
resilient, and super. Above all, you be a customer snatcher.
You know where you this girl?
You know, see, I know we're already now. See, girls, I will beg for your patience because I have a whole lot I want to say. But I'll make it brief.
Better.
Okay.
Please, Grace, I beg. Can you save us with this your boring motivational speech? Be fast. Let's make a toast and enjoy ourselves.
It will say you're not talking. I assume say you know they here. But you dey here now. So you go talk.
Why not go talk?
The feather of the universe, now you be Sophia.
No, why not go talk? Tell me why I should not open my mouth when you're full with nasty and long boring talk. I know you now. If they give you chance, you go drag them. Madam Talkative.
Not be your mouth that easy talk.
Just like
And baby girl, rest, don't worry. Today now your day. Let me handle this. I know you were not loved at home. But come on, girl. You can do better. Pretend now. You know they say as they act for Nollywood, they act like say you're happy, but you're not happy. You know they see those roles where they play. Are you insane? Like you dare stand there and talk to me? Are you being serious like right now?
Girls, come on. Let's just...
baby girl, it's okay. Make her just pretend like say, I know they hear you. So it to me like I want to ruin Sophia's day. But be fast with that your never-ending boring motivational speech.
I don't know where they give you mine though. Because I didn't know man, person like you not supposed to stand for my front they talk. You well. Would they borrow you mind? You don't know we. True. I didn't tell you.
You even like say body be sweet. You know even know your mate. I go hide you inside pockets, cover you, transport you go where you know go.
Brenda,
The grace.
let her make
Not
her
you
speech, okay?
Why are you so sad? Hide your bitter self. You know why? Not let me put body for you. Because you no go like her. You don't know we.
Do anything.
You don't know we.
You know
They
fit
didn't
do-
tell you.
You know if we do nothing. Make I just tell you. See who they call Sophia or a customer snatcher. You will be CEO of the streets. If you want snatcher, you go form decent. Meanwhile, now you they drag pass. See this one. This one where they pack 1,500 naira bling bling full body. Now.
Take a close look at me. Like a very close look. Do they make them like this in your village? Like, do they create them like this in your town? With my area, like you rightly said. Look at that.
1,500 bling bling. You don't pass like that. Eh?
So-
Now this 1,500 naira bling bling, now they disgrace you. Where till you get? No, show me if they ask you to do
That's
what
the way
you
you
have.
talk. Talk am again.
You don't get anything. Now 1,500 naira bling bling. What?
You think you can talk to me? Really?
Stop.
You must not
Be the grace. Be them.
No.
You want me to Brenda, please. You want me to Tina, I don't like this. No. Don't they push me. Do you see what she did inside? So Grace get mind. Grace get the morale to pour me wine. Me, Brenda. She dey Grace. She dey mad. Eh?
Can you listen to yourself? Today is Sophia's birthday. We
We're supposed to be celebrating with her. And not this drama you two just put up there. How is this supposed to help her day? What did I do wrong? No, Gina, tell me. What actually did I do wrong? I only asked her to shorten her long, boring, meaningless speech. And she kept mine. Hey, Grace. Oh. I say Grace no know me. Grace never asked of Brenda. See, if no be say today na Sophia's birthday, I for turn this house into a boxing ring. Then I forgive her punches when we say if she looks herself in the mirror, she will not recognize her face. Is she mad? Something they worry am. As who? Mike Tyson, Muhammad Ali, or Anthony Joshua. Look at the way you're sounding. I feel like you never asked of Brenda. It's like you've not asked of me. Babe, I be Mike Tyson, Muhammad Ali, Mayweather, Undertaker, John Cena, all put together. She dey mad. She don't get respect. Oh God.
Brenda. Brenda, you need to go back in there and apologize to Sophia. You two just ruined her day. And I know she will be feeling really bad by now.
Yes, I get it. You're upset. You're disappointed at me, I know. I didn't mean for all this to happen. Why in God's name will I want to ruin your big day? Why? If not for that confused little peacock who just finds her way all the way to my nest, all the damn time.
Upset? With you? No. Disappointed? At you? No. What am I supposed to expect? Tell me. Grace, you chose today of all days to bring your nasty attitude to ruin my day? You couldn't even keep it for one moment. You couldn't keep it together. Really? Yet you sit here to tell me, I know you're upset with me. I know you're disappointed at me. Trust me, Grace, I wasn't expecting anything. You know what's good for you? You should go out there and apologize to her.
Hell no!
Really?
Yes, really! I will not do that. Not in this life or the one to come.
Suit yourself.
If there's anyone who deserves an apology, that person should be Grace. Yes!
You started it! You!
She did not poke nose into my affairs. It wouldn't have happened. Things wouldn't have gotten out of hand. Didn't even think of that part.
If you didn't pour the drink on her, all this would have happened.
She deserves it. She deserved it.
Why am I even still talking to you? Why am I seated here wasting my time talking to you? You are Grace. You know it all. It's not worth it. And thank you. Thank you for ruining my day. You can have a field day with all of this. I mean, it's your birthday now. Enjoy the drinks, enjoy the cake, enjoy it all. You are the star of today, not me. Thank you for ruining my day. Have fun.
It's always
You can have them drink.
It is always Grace. Like Grace, Grace, Grace. There's never a thing I do that pleases anybody in this house. Maybe I should leave. Sophie. Sophie. Babes.
Gina, please. No. Stop it. I beg. What they talk this kind of thing, you're trying to make me feel guilty and it's not right. Don't make me start this problem now. Now, Grace, I beg. Ah.
It's okay. I agree it's not your fault. It was Grace's fault. But please, go inside. You need to let Sophia know you are sorry about what happened. This wasn't her plan for her birthday.
What you do most I get people head. Now me cause the fights. Yeah? Now me start Were you not there when she poured me wine? Were you not seen? Then I go there, I beg you. They make me feel guilty, I beg. I use one name beg. Make everybody just package one side, I beg. I'm probably that one. No, I'm not really possible.
Brenda.
I beg. Respect yourself.
I am sorry. I not come here to come the judge matter. I just want us to go back in and fix things up. Like, let's patch things up. We cannot ruin our friend's day like this.
I beg you. Who are the we or us? Who they refer to we? Now you start the problem, now you go fix them. I beg. No involve me for this talk. Show me we.
Auntie Guru Guru.
Eh?
You know here when I tell you say I not come, who talk, who do this one, who do that one. Please, babes. Listen. We've gone way too far for us to be behaving like strangers. Now, yes, I know I'm a shithead, I'm all this and all that, but manage me now. I be your friend still. Let's patch things up. You don't have to take everything like too personal. You already know who I am. I'm sorry.
I don't fit to manage you.
Please. You don't manage me already.
I beg. Stop now. What they near me? Stand. You want to stand for talk. Stop, I beg.
I beg. You follow me.
Hey, please. Come on, you guys. Two of you.
Among the nation.
You don't.
President General.
You know, like say I be bad person.
You be bad person normally. My friend.
Are we now going? Please, let's go in.
What's up? We won't kiss me, big man.
I will kiss you.
Let's go, guys. Let's have it, Sophia.
No, they go.
Now when you dey vex, I dey vex.
Sophie la, our birthday girl.
Sophia!
Thank you.
I get don't look up on us like this.
Thanks.
Nyash dey cry. Shake na water. Hey, God, I beg go. See fine. How person go find like only you find like 10 persons.
Please.
My small
I beg. No vex for us. We are very, very sorry. See, now that's Igbo way Sakamu give us for dream. Then they make us para for physical. If not, what will make us the vex? Nothing, no.
Not true. And you know say Igbo way you smoke for dream, the high pass the one way you smoke for physical.
Hi.
Thank God say she not follow smoke am. By now for market now for do this celebration.
Hey! Inside market. Now for celebrate this birthday. Sophia.
So.
Hey, fine
So
girl.
baby. So.
Finest.
Where you go find like this now?
Oh yeah. Mo sing happy birthday for her now.
Hannah, show.
It's okay.
Happy
birthday
no need
to you.
Happy birthday
to
you.
I say don't.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey, cute. Happy birthday.
Babe. Sophia. She can't sleep with the sleep where your phone they ring in the ear. Sophia. Your phone is ringing.
No, babe, now you and Grace. When you let person rest. I can't even witchcraft come my drink only disturb me for drink. See, make I sound this warning. If two of them carry this nonsense, can't real life, can't disturb me next month for my bed, and I not go like me. Ha!
For the three of us where they stay for this house, now only you did dream. You don't they pass Joseph the dreamer.
Gosh. The person that has been waiting for his call that just called me.
Can I call him back now?
I will do that. Oh, they call again. Hello? Yes, I'm fine. I was actually waiting for your call, then I dozed off. Okay, I'll meet you there. Alright then. No, I'll be coming. Sure, thank you. Bye.
What's with this lucky? What is this? We agreed on 300k. Why are you sending me 150?
That is what it is, okay? And even you agreed to stay until noon, 12 noon. Maybe I would have made it up to you, but it's okay. Just manage it.
Oh yeah, we agreed till daybreak, but it's already done. Anyways, don't worry, I will go. But be rest assured that once I leave this car, your nude will be on the internet.
What?
Yes!
I don't understand. You mean you recorded me with your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Why wouldn't I? You needed to see the way your bola was shaking when you were saying, baby, come to me, come to the bed, let me rock you. You think I'm some low-life runs girl? Do you know who I am? I am a big girl with 2 cars. I am not just a low-budget runs girl. So give me my money or you'll see yourself on the internet.
Babe, now, this is not why you're shouting. Okay, no problem. I'll give you a 150 balance right now.
In your dreams. In fact, my balance is 500,000.
What? I don't understand. I don't. I bet. No carry that one come. No carry that one come. Let me want to level up.
Let me they shout for. No, Lucky. Am I the one you're shouting
Please,
at?
just stick. We had an agreement, right? I'm supposed to pay you 300,000 naira. So please stick on the agreement because agreement is agreement.
Now, because I never changed them for you. It's because I've not told you that it's 1 million naira now, right? Okay, your balance is now 1 million.
How do I even know that? How am I sure that you have my video? Play it.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
It shock you, Abby. It shock you, Abby. Give me my money. You know, go like see yourself on the internet. So the caption where I go put there, go tire you.
500,000 cents. Delete the video. Delete it.
I just did.
I want to see. Delete it.
I just deleted it. I bet drop me for where you carried me yesterday.
What is? Get out!
Is this a car? You call this a car? I got to carry this to come off here. I was shouting at you for this car. This cheap.
Back for grand, money for hand. You want short time, I been a full time. Call them runs, I been a shower. The team be say I shower, not shower. It doesn't matter how you do that. It doesn't matter how you do show. I'm gonna ask for money.
You blind? You can't fire you. Now you're gonna go fire. No,
Where is she now?
She dey inside. She dey with one other girl, then they eat. As e be me like this, make we enter inside. Give am woto.
No, we are not going to enter inside. Because if we enter inside there, we are going to create a scene. So let's just stay here and wait for her. Let's just stay here.
No, Alan, I'm not shaking.
She says she's smart now. I go deal with her. Oh. She don't know me. And what do you think you're going to do? Why? You. What is it that you want with me? Tell me what I want from you. Yes. She better tell you the last time, say if I see you, I go humiliate you, Abi. I tell you now. Listen, I do not have time for people who won't even express themselves in a civilized manner. So if you don't mind, please leave my way. You hear me? Ashawo, yes. If you move one step here, right now, I go beat you waiting no good. Take a step, let me see you.
Please.
Please what?
Sorry, what
Take
is
a
wrong?
step.
Please just let us go.
Oh, you want all this thing for me?
Yeah. Please don't do this, I beg you. What is wrong? This is embarrassing. Please
How dare you? Something wrong? You're mad! And it's something wrong. I used to be. It's something wrong. Are you mad? Are you mad? Yeah, you're very stupid. Like, what are you crazy? Come here. Are you mad? You're very stupid. Are you? Who call you for this matter?
Who be that other girl will come from nowhere, come attack us for matter wey no concern am?
Hi. That one were when my keke guy almost hit. I don't know where that girl just come out from. She just come out from nowhere like this.
See how she spoil things for us. That girl for collect from my hand. Oh. She for collect woto.
Anyways, you see this fight, it never end. This fight never end like this because of that girl, my guy leave me. 3 years relationship like this. Nothing to show for. No car, no house, no clothes, nothing go my body like this. She just brainwash my guy.
You for tell me this thing now. She for collect from my hand. Anyway, you know say I get your back. We go meet that girl again. We go meet her.
This fight never end. I just pray say I not see that girl because I go beat her waiting no good for this town. When she pray she not see me oh.
Abeg, no could they come out for here? You know say this place today is.
No could they go abeg.
Gina, please come inside. Here. So this is our mini apartment. This is where we're managing. Sit down. You call this place a mini apartment? Oh, no, please. This is massive. I mean, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
And Sophia will be back soon. And we won't swallow you. So please feel free. Yeah, I see you shaking.
No, she already told me. Don't worry, I'm fine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And Brenda, your friend, I really like her energy. See the way she came through for you. Her energy is top notch. I like her.
Brenda and I have been friends for a long time now. And what are friends for if not inconvenience?
She's a good friend, truly.
Say that again.
Whoa. This would cost a fortune. I mean, this space is big, so I'm just imagining how much it will cost.
I agree with you. Because such a fortune. Because we're paying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 million naira.
6 million naira.
You heard me right.
No. That's too much.
Your friend Sophie is the one who rented this apartment. She just brought Brenda and I in so we can pay part of it. But she pays the bigger part.
Wow. It means your jobs are really lucrative. For you to be able to afford such amount yearly, this is too much.
Gina, can I take you to your room? You've had a long day. I think you should, relax, freshen up. Let's go.
Yeah, thank you so much.
My guy, now once 90 girl change her for me for hotel, I swear to Almighty God. Don't blame me. The girl too sweet. I really want to enjoy what I paid for now. At least allow the girl to stay until like 12 noon. Now when the hotel go expire. No blame me, my guy. The girl sabi to do on bed. She sabi knock. Hey. No, the girl too sweet, I beg. But seriously, na smartness, I don't like him at all. The girl too smart, I beg. Alright, now we'll talk later. Yeah, take care, bro. Bye. Yeah, one girl goes sweet finish still. They very smart like that, man. It's alright. Oh, good.
So that guy get luck. If not me, now 1.5 million naira for tenor. It ain't mad.
Babe, now 1M I be won't tell her. 1 million I ain't in my mind to tell her. I just had to calm down, mellow down because now only me and him dey inside car. What if he has strangled me? Or drive with speed and throw me out of the car, I go hit my head for ground. Wait till I go talk. I had to just calm down, babe. Hey.
Baby. Now true you talk now. You say if you get mind. You did there alone, the ginger. The guy for kid and struggle for your struggle, you not die, with all the things that are going on in the world now.
For these streets, for us to do runs, you guys use Nonowe. Your sense supposed to follow you because, hey, they go use you.
That beg go. That one deal.
And babe, hold on. About those girls where you get quanta with. Nothing happened. You say we're going to highlight me when we get home. What's happened?
See me now. Person just see me for road. He say I snatch him boyfriend. I don't understand. Say now because of me. Now a guy break up with him. How?
Break up. But they're married.
Maybe I don't understand you. I know. How want to know? I want to know whether they don't marry or they just dey knack.
Hold on. So you mean say you don't even know who they talk about?
No. I don't know who the idiots they talk about. I don't know who the foolish girl they dream. I don't just understand. This is not even the first time. I go lie for you.
Hey, babe, you need to be careful. I mean, you have to look for a way to talk to these girls one-on-one. Make person know what you ask it one day.
And you think I haven't? I have. I mean, the first time we met, I I approached her like, let's talk, like girl to girl. I just need to know who this man is. Whether not the one who I don't knock before, I be the one who I did knock presently, I be not the one who I want knock for future. I want to say no, but she won't be reasonable. She's stupid enough not to even sit down and talk. I don't even know the kind of boy the idiot they smoke.
Baby, it don't be for you.
What do I go do now?
Hey! Sophie! I showered on show.
I shower, they call her shower, you mad.
No, you get
This Brenda no get itself.
It's the house. It's the house.
It's me you say Sophie too.
shout.
What's be that one? Girl, check with me.
Take me off.
Jesus.
God, I'm very
relax. Calm down.
Your sense no deep.
Where she chill sleep?
She not dey sleep oh. She don't lie down for that bed there. She feel the hear too. Too rash.
My mom to talk. Yeah, now don't shut up my mouth now. You said you going to do yours anyway. Thank you, my friend, for helping me pick out.
If I don't help you, I won't help you. Yeah, she did.
Hi, Chico. Oh my God, you look so good.
Thank you, you too.
Where have you been? It's been such a long time.
Yes.
It's great to see
Look at the body, Sophia.
Let's just go upstairs. Girls, I'll be right back. Let me see her and talk with her a bit, okay?
Yeah, I'll waiting for you.
Me too. I mean, sorry, let me get my purse. I didn't check yourself. Where have you been now? Look at you. Oh my God.
Yes, it is. I think there are more opportunities here than in Benin. I'm very certain I will get a good job here.
Well, I understand what you're trying to say, but the truth is, this city is not for the faint-hearted. I mean, you have to be strong to survive in this city. If you aren't, it will be so difficult for you to get to the top.
Oh, you know me now. You know I'm a serious-minded person when it comes to my career. Look, any eatery or hotel that's going to employ me is going to benefit a whole lot from me. You know?
Of course, I agree that you are very hardworking. But why relegate yourself to just hotel and eateries? I mean, what if a job with a better job comes along that requires your qualification? Will you reject it?
I'll gladly accept it. Why I'm saying a hotel or an eatery is because of my experience in hospitality. You know, I've worked as a supervisor in an eatery and also as an advertising manager in one of the biggest hotels in Benin. Even though that the owner of the hotel died and then the wife sold the hotel out, then the new buyer came in, employed his girlfriend as our manager. That one came, reduced our salaries, set up rules that weren't really, you know, sitting well with most of us, that made us to leave. And then when I left the place, I decided to just leave the environment for now, you know.
I understand. If not myself, I'm not even prefer you. Anyway, that is in the past. Consider this place your home. No send those my coconut-headed housemates. Do not take anything they tell you seriously, okay? You're welcome to this
Trust
place.
me now, you know I can blend in anywhere. I can live with anybody, no matter how crazy they seem. You get. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's okay.
Like, you don't know how happy I am. Thank you for receiving me and taking me as your own.
Yeah, we've gone a long way. It's not.
I'm very happy.
Hey, back for ground, money for hand. You want short time, I been a full time. Call them runs, I been a shower. The thing be say I shower, na shower. It doesn't matter how you bent up. It doesn't matter how you too short. Sex for money in a shower. Yo, because I shower no be walk. If I shower, runs no be walk. I don't know. If I shower no be walk.
It depends on the number now. They have not measured it. It depends. It can be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, depends on the measurement. Yes. 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 Let me call you back. Let me call you back. Angel! 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 Wow. I love what I'm saying. So what's the name?
Grace.
Grace. I am Nitty.
Okay.
So, where are you heading to?
I'm off to see a friend, actually.
Okay, so I would love to know more about you.
I like people who are straightforward. What do you want?
You know what I want.
Okay,
Do I need to mention it?
We can actually go somewhere now and have fun if you want.
Have fun?
Yes.
That would be lovely, but the truth is that I have 3 meetings to attend to.
Okay.
Why not give me your digit? I'll call you later in the day so we can, you know.
That sounds nice. Who your digit here?
Oh. It's ringing. Grace, right?
Yes. Yes.
Alright, so what time do I call you?
Anytime.
Anytime you're free?
Yes.
That would be lovely. Oh my God. I want to ask you one more question, please. Can I ask you one more question?
Please do.
Is this organic or is it real?
You're not just handsome, you are cute and funny. Bye.
That's real, man. I think that's real.
Chief, good morning.
Good morning, beautiful Sophia. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good.
That's good to know. Tell me, are you back from your trip?
Yes, I came back yesterday.
Wow, Chief. You're welcome back. I mean, your girl is still here, same place you left her.
It's just that nowadays my wife eyes is on me, so I'm being careful of her, not to hurt her feelings, you know.
Chief, I don't tell you, so when they talk to me, they go through corners. Just go straight to the point. Hit the nail for the head now. Come on. Tell me, say you want knack. You know me, I'm always available and I'm at your service.
I want to knock.
Now you dey talk. It's okay, Chief. That's fine. Chief, before I forget, things don't change, oh. My chief, my odogu, my 2 hours now are 400k.
Sophia, is it dollar you are selling here? How much are you talking about here? Tell me what you're... I don't understand what you're saying.
You know, the dollar don't go up. And it has affected everything.
Sophia, you and I know that I can always get a girl for 100k. I kept coming back to you because I love the way you do more and do that whining.
Now you come. You don't see him. They give you VVIP treatment. You see, say I even pass the premium girls. Thank God say you enjoy my service, Sha. I'm happy. No worry. This time around, I will wine out for you.
Okay, can we do for 250,000?
Chief, I'm even tired of talking. You know what? Because you are my old-time client, just leave am 300k. My stay whole body. Yes. Just do it 300,000. I go wind my way so you will even forget your wife.
No, please, if it's about forgetting my wife, please don't go there. My wife is not my number one. My wife is my number one. You know what, Sophia? This is not about crayfish we're talking about here. I will give you that 300k.
Hey! My Odogu Parara! You see why I believe you die. Chief, our usual spot, Abi.
Yes, but please let me take this call. Someone kept calling me. I don't know why. Hello?
This Chief Jose know well, I swear. What shall we say? Yeah, Sophia, take it for just 100k. You're crazy, Oga. This is a cost now. Let's I gas to package well. See money.
Don't you call them Nolo Show? They are premium runs girls. They are smart, they are elegant and beautiful. All they care for is the money. They can do anything for the money. So if you know, get
Nothing.
Gina! Yeah.
Lucky, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great.
What are you doing here?
I came to see a friend and then I'm using the same opportunity to look around if I can get a job.
A job?
Yes.
What happened to your job in Benin?
Oh, they sold the place. The new management that came changed a whole lot of things that didn't really sit well. So I had to quit.
That's so bad.
Yeah.
So, where do you stay now?
In a friend's place, just putting up with my friend for now.
Friend place. You're
Yeah.
a female.
I know you were going to ask that. Female. You don't expect me to stay in a man's house.
But there is nothing wrong in you staying in a man's place.
No. Everything is wrong with me staying in a man's place. You know I can never stay with any man that is not my husband.
Ah. This person you're staying with, is she someone I know?
Nope, I don't think so. I don't know, but I'm sure you've never met her. I met her some years back where I went to write jam in our jam center. We met there. So we've actually been friends since then. She has actually come to visit me in Benin a couple of times. This is my first time coming to see her.
Well, you're welcome.
Thank
Let's go
you.
inside and chill.
Oh,
I'm hungry.
yeah. I'm actually hungry too. Looking so good. Thank you.
You're welcome, Gina. Welcome to my little abode.
Thank you.
This is where I'm managing for now.
Did you just say managing? That's such a beautiful place here.
Thank you.
You're saying
Have a
you're
seat.
managing. Thank you so much.
So, how have you been?
I've been good. How about you?
Goodness. Hold on, please. Let me take this call.
Okay.
Hello, what do you want?
Aga, what do you mean by what do I want? You called me, I saw your missed call, so I decided to return it back.
I gave you missed call. Me? How? When?
Bro, check your dialed call.
See, I did not give you missed call. I didn't remember giving you one. If I ever did that, then it was a mistake. Please, I don't have time for this. I have a visitor that came to see me. I need to attend to her, okay? Goodbye.
See this one? Hey, I mean this guy they style for me. If not be missed call why I see on my phone, what will make me pick up my phone and call your stupid number? She'll say that thing what I do, you see they pay you. Never see anything.
Oh, sorry about the interruption.
That's fine.
Yeah. So, what do I have for you?
Would there be any need for that? You just gave me a treat at the eatery. I'm fine.
It's
Thank you.
alright. At least, let me get you water.
Okay. Water is fine.
I'll be right back.
Alright.
Sophie!
Now me
Sophia.
Now me now.
Asha always sets.
What's the word? You know they call me Ashawa. Ashawa they call Ashawa Ashawa.
Hey! My girl, you fine. You set die. What's the happy way they go?
My dear, see me whenever I did, I'm one of my correct naga call me. He can say won't see me. Now I say okay now. Since Sophie know the carry last, make her package, make her hot, make her sexy, go see her. Maybe just maybe if the man see me, I go shook enter. You go add add more money for me. You know now. Yes now.
For this Niger. Where you want see her?
I don't understand.
May we don't hear I finish.
Babe, this one now my correct big client. In a chief. Chief. Big chief. Rich chief. Nobody small boy, so I call him the rich chief.
Hold on. You mean chief?
Chief with the money.
Those ones they represent well, or they give money well. Especially the advanced ones. Not all these young boys where they use money by chieftains.
And this my own know the order. He get what? He get tanya for them. You see, even the sweat when they come up for your body safe. Now all you.
Baby girl.
Wait first. As I talk body, I remember something. Make I use one take touch up now. At least by the man they smell.
Yeah. You fine. You hot. You come classy.
Before.
But get one thing they like.
Hold on. I know so you get bad mouth, you get bad belly. Nothing they lack. I get nyash. I get breast. What you want to get? I go do be a joint so you won't kill me.
You get sense.
You be fool.
You
be big fool. And no fear. Take him. You want me to go do BB join this one? Take me, you snap me.
Hey, my girl.
You should say you got some snaps. What's my position?
Get
Get up, make a position for you. You did this thing, but make it worry.
This one help your life. You know, but help yourself.
Make a position the camera away.
I may not be like say, you know.
Oh yeah. What that? Let's make a pose. Wait, not keep that thing. We trust you.
I shall.
Idiot. See, I shall call a shower.
Set your nyashi. See, I shall. Hey!
Take another one.
Chaka!
Forget! Something I'm fine, yeah. Give me five. You try for this life.
Make you find something doing.
Who's there? Who is it?
Hi, Gina. Brother, I didn't get to work.
I'm on leave.
Oh, leave. Okay.
And Brenda, who is this guy with you?
Brother, me, Lucky.
Don't worry. Let me do the introduction myself. But please, don't interfere. My name is Lucky. And of course, I'm no stranger to you. Gina here is my close person. Gina, is she the friend you talked about?
Nope. She's a friend to my friend, Sophia.
What a world. I would advise you to be careful of such people. Right? I'll take my leave.
Oh, okay. I'll talk to you later then. But do you two know yourselves before now?
Brenda, my friend. I would love to hook up with you tonight if you don't mind. And this time around, I am going to pay huge sum. You know, remember 2 days ago what you did to me on bed? My goodness, so sweet, so romantic, my God. You know you were rolling your waist on me, oh my goodness, you sabi do this thing so much.
Hey! You Brenda! Are you mad? Out! Get out of my house now. Brenda, what's the meaning of that? I said out!
It's okay. Get out if you need me.
Of that. Why did you do that? What did you do that for? Why did you slap him? Gina, all I know is that you should not pay attention to that guy, your friend, or whatever it is he claims to be to you. Anything he says about me to you is very invalid. Do not listen to him. Why would you slap?
Money for hand, you want short time, I been a full time. Call them runs, I been a shower. The team be say a shower, na shower. It doesn't matter how you bent up, it doesn't matter how you too short. Sex for money, na
Chief.
Beautiful Sophia. You look hot.
I know. I'm always hot and sexy.
That is a fact. You look hot every side.
Oh, Chief. That's super good to hear.
Wonderful.
I mean...
Everything is on point.
Always, always.
Can we go?
Yes, of course we can. But please, Chief, before we leave, I'd like for you to buy me food. I haven't eaten anything since morning.
Sophia, you can't stop amazing me. Are you fasting?
No.
Please, I wouldn't want you in a situation where someone will collapse because I'm knacking.
Oh, Chief, please. No way.
Oh
Listen,
God.
I only said I was hungry. That's all. Just buy me food.
It is all right. That's no problem. Before we get into the room, I'll make sure you eat to satisfaction.
Perfect. Okay, Chief.
Yes. Can we... sorry, I'm sure you're going to rock me hard?
Chief, you'll be the one to rock us. I mean...
No, Sophia, please. I'm not joking here. I can't spend this huge sum, and you want me to come again and start stressing myself?
Chief, I was just joking. Don't worry. I'm gonna rock you really hard.
Now you are talking. Okay, you know what?
Yes.
I will make sure that they have to serve the food in the room. Because I wouldn't want in a situation where my wife would just box in from nowhere. You know, women.
That's true. That would be embarrassing. Let them just bring the food to the room. That's perfect.
They're not talking. Let me assure you, that'll be no problem. She won't do anything.
I trust you, Chief.
Sophie.
My Chief.
Let us go.
I'm going to wine it for you.
I can't wait.
Chief, guess what? I just learned a new style. All for you. Come on. Yes.
Are you for real?
I am for real.
I can't wait. And then I assure you, I promise you, you will like it.
Aww.
Can you give me a peg? Sophie.
Okay. Let's go.
Sophie, baby.
My Chief, my Odogu Parara.
Hello, Newton. What's up?
I'm cool. Sorry I missed your call. I've been very busy in the office today.
You've always been busy. There's no problem. I came with someone to your office. She's looking for a job, so I decided to drive to your office so I can see if there are vacancies available.
Sure, it's available. Just that I need someone that is very much experienced.
Oh, she's experienced. I tell you, if you feel the need to interview her face to face, I can drive her to your office right now.
Alright. If that is the case, no problem. I'm even coming around your house now. I don't know if you are home, so I can stop by.
Oh, really? Okay. I'm driving home now. From office? No. I went to drop the person at her new place. I mean, she's new in town, so I just rendered some help.
Okay.
It's all right. Guess who I saw today? An idiot. You know that idiot I took to an hotel that scammed me.
Wait. You mean the girl you said that has your new picture that threatened to post it and you don't settle her?
Exactly. They live together in her new apartment.
Wow. Alright. When I see you, we'll talk more. Okay?
Alright. Take care.
Alright. Take care.
Bye, bro.
I don't need much. Don't worry. My knee.
You're welcome, bro.
Nice wine.
Yeah.
You said her name is Gina.
Yes. And she's a good girl, I must say. You know, she works at an eatery as a manager and also other hotels.
Okay.
She's a professional when it comes to hospitality.
I see. All right. I would love to have an interview with her over the weekend.
Okay.
If she do well, definitely the job is hers. But before then, she will have to wait till Mr. Hartman leaves. I gave him 5 days to put everything in order for a better clarification.
Oh.
So let's see how it goes. Before or after.
It's not a problem at all. I'll have to inform her to her patient then.
Alright. So tell me, what about that girl that tried to blackmail you? Is she friends with the new girl?
The person is a friend to her friends. Okay. It happens that they live in one apartment.
So tell me, what did you do when you saw her?
Ah! Oh my goodness, I rubbished her before Gina. She got upset and gave me a dirty slap.
Wait, she slapped you?
Yes.
Best way on your street.
Well, what I said to her was very, very annoying. I must tell you. But then, if I happen to tell you that, I'm very sure you're going to do worse.
My man. You forecast her. What are you telling me? You forecast her now.
Cast her? No, now. There's no need to cast her. I mean, she wouldn't want Gina to know that she's a wrong girl. Yeah. So there's no need for that. And me casting her, Gina, she's my sister, all right? Yeah. She'll start seeing me as an irresponsible man. So I don't want to cast her before.
I see. I see where you're coming from.
Exactly.
Anyways. You get one fish, why one pusher this night? Why one pele this night?
Hi! New thing. If person see you now, they go think say you be virgin. But you corrupt past me.
Wait. Like, I don't be virgin. I be virgin now.
Nah, but food, yeah.
Now things where they enjoy, now I try to say make I enjoy small. I be virgin. No, they see me. I never do anything.
You quoted bad boy.
Oh, can I wait till they enjoy since I just want to try enjoy small. I be they don't know what to do.
It's nice having you here.
Alright, my man.
Let me see you.
Alright.
Do you think my guy number one?
Look at her. You're enjoying yourself, Abby? Alone. I beg, let me follow you and enjoy you. I'm so hungry.
Welcome.
Thank you. Is Brenda around?
Yeah, she's in her room.
What about Sophie?
Sophia went out and she's not responding to her calls. Have you heard from her?
Yes, I have. And her coming back tonight is not guaranteed.
How?
Don't be like that. Why is your face like that? Don't worry. If she's not coming back, she'll call you, I'm sure. But I have news for you, baby. You might be the only one spending the night here tonight.
Why?
Brenda and I have a party to attend. We just want to go there and just cruise a bit. You know, all work and no play.
Will I be here alone? I mean,
yes.
I can't be here alone now.
You're going to have rats and cockroaches and witches going to be like that. Why are you so scared? Don't worry, baby. You'll be fine. I promise you.
Not like I'm scared, but you know I'm not used to this house yet. I mean, leaving me all alone in the house is just somehow.
Before you know it, you're back.
I'll probably sleep alone though. Let me see what Brenda is up to so we can leave early. That girl takes too long, like forever to dress up. Brenda! Whoa!
Brenda! Hurry up!
Why is she not taking her calls? This girl is fond of this rubbish. Even if you're not coming back, at least pick your calls and see. Ha!
Babe, sorry, oh. Anyway, and just keep staying like this. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go, let's go. Yes. What's that? This one fine dude that I met the other day, and he wants us to hang out today.
Today?
Yes.
That's not possible. Tell him you're busy today. Tomorrow.
Yeah, you agree. Pick it. I'm calling back. Hello, good evening.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I've been expecting your call.
Yes, I am sorry. I want to know my availability before calling. So are you ready now?
Okay, yes. I have a guest. Yes, she just came in and she came in from a very long journey. It won't be nice if I leave her all alone in the house. Can we do tomorrow, please?
Tomorrow? Alright, if you say tomorrow, it's okay by me.
Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Good night.
Let's go.
Guys, please wait. Wait for you, as in how? We don't understand.
I'm going out with you guys, please.
Chichi asked her to come with us. Listen, the party we are going for is strictly on invitation. I don't want a situation where you come with us and you end up getting embarrassed.
Gina, I know it's about you sleeping here all alone, but there's nothing here. There's lights. Just watch TV. Before you know, you sleep off.
Relax.
Oh? And Sophie might be back before you know it, yeah? It's fine. Okay. Be good, yeah?
Watch movies, okay?
Bye.
Babe, where have you been now? Eh? Where have you been? Why are you not taking your call?
It doesn't matter how you bent up. It doesn't matter how you do shop. Sex for money in a shower. Because I shower not.
I beg, it's okay. Take care of yourself.
Make you find something doing. Leave a shower. Because I shower not be walk. Leave a shower. Ransom not be walk. I don't know. Leave a shower. I shower not be walk. Leave a shower. Make you find something doing. Leave a shower.
Hi.
Hello.
I saw a girl standing here with you. Where is she?
Oh, a girl. Oh, maybe that's my mom. So, I mean, she just left now to go and meet my father. But I'm waiting for my brother, so we just not miss each other.
You mean your mom?
Yes.
That means your mom must be very young.
No. Actually, she's aged. Just that she was a little bit agile in her youthful age. So, you know.
Wow. That's lovely.
Anyways,
you're such a pretty girl.
I know, right?
Yeah, what if I have your number so we can talk later?
Okay, handsome. All right.
Let me get my phone.
Sure.
Here's my phone.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
what's the name?
Brenda.
Let me flash you so you save my number.
Okay. Oh.
Have you seen it?
Yes. Actually.
Newton.
Newton.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, take care of yourself. I'll give you a call.
You too, handsome.
All right. You go.
Cha-cha. that?
Did you just give him your number?
I don't understand why I don't give her my number.
That's the connect I was telling you about.
Nah lie. Nah lie.
Brenda.
I don't know now. If I'd known, why would I give your connect my number?
Are you sure?
I don't know, girl. I don't want to take no am. Let me talk to Ram.
No wala, Sha. No wala. I believe you. I just want to believe you.
I don't know. No go that front.
Abi?
Market. It's too dry.
Money for hand. You want short time, I be the full time. Call them runs, I be na shower. The team be say I shower, na shower. It doesn't matter how you been up. It doesn't matter.
So don't they catch me.
I no reach
You
there
don't see
now.
Felicia for that downtown road. And they greet her, she dey carry face. Who with her they do that rubbish? With her cheap aboki perfume.
I beg, I'm not interested in all
Perfume
this.
they smell from not eternity.
I just won't go where they go. Make I collect
But
better
those girls,
money.
who they even think they are safe?
So two of you are friends, eh?
Maybe this one's.
Mind that. I think as they come now, you all ladies their lifeless hands on us. They will show they say Kaki no go ever be leather. Hey, come.
I beg, shut up! What's your mouth?
Una just stand here because una want snatch people boyfriends and husbands. That's what people want to do.
Hello.
You see this?
Can you shut your tacky, wacky, nasty, smelling mouth? Can you?
Hey.
They find who go kill them.
I go kill them. I go fit. No.
Leave these people.
How are you the child today? You want me to lift my hand for your face?
Try him now.
You want me to lift my hand?
Try
for your
him.
face? This one, so? Try him.
Try him.
You want me to tell you? You want to see these people? You want to see grace? You want to see grace? You want to see grace? You want me to try him? Try him. Jesus!
This girl don't find my hair. This girl don't find my hair. This girl don't find my hair. And now Sophie hair. Wow.
I just woke up from a really scary nightmare.
And what about it?
It had to do with Gina and the fact that wherever she is at the moment, her life might just be in danger.
Babe, you never really talk exactly with the thing. Like, what's going on?
Tell us now.
What are you thinking exactly? Talk now.
Did her enemy die in your dream?
No, not that.
God.
True, but you brought her back home mad.
God forbid. Jesus.
So wait a
Who brought her home?
You.
God forbid.
And you said that she went mad immediately after a man dropped her off.
This matter is serious, so. But hold on. Gina came home with a guy yesterday.
A guy? Gina?
You mean Gina came to this house with a man?
Yes. Yes, now I had to forget. She came home with a guy yesterday and if anything happens to Gina, that guy should be held responsible.
How exactly, where exactly do we find this guy? How do we know him?